In this video, we will talk about demand of water. It is the first part of Unit 2 Public Water Supply. The quality of water required by a community, society, or industry is called water demand. The various types of water demands are domestic water demand, industrial or commercial water demand, fire demand, demand for public usage, and compensate losses demand. Water demand is normally expressed as liters per person per day or LPCD. Domestic water demand. It refers to the water required by houses for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, etc. It depends upon habits, social status, climatic conditions, and customs of people. In India, on an average, the domestic consumption of water under normal circumstances is 135 liters per day per capita, according to IS 1172-1171. This figure may be as high as 350 liters per day per capita in developed countries. Industrial or commercial water demand. It refers to requirements of water to commercial buildings or centers like offices, shopping centers, hotels, cinema houses, schools, colleges, hostels, hospitals, railway and bus stations, and various industries. Approximate demand of water for few industries are given in this table. For example, sugar industry required 0.1 to 0.2 kiloliters water per unit, and the unit of production is 1 bag of 100 kilogram. Similarly, for textile industry, paper industry, and other type of industry, the water requirements in kiloliters per unit varies. Approximate demand of water for buildings other than residences also deals with variation. For example, in hospital having number of beds less than 100, water requirement in liters per day are 340 liters per bed, and for hospitals having number of beds greater than 100, water requirement is 455 liters per day. Similarly, for nurses and doctors quarters, hotels, restaurant, the water requirement varies. Fire demand. Fire may break out in any area at any time, causing serious damage to the property and loss of life. Large quantity of water is required for extinguishing fire. Thus, quantity of water required for extinguishing fire is known as fire demand. Demand of water for fire in a year may be small, but the rate of consumption at a time is very large. Fire demand is generally calculated based on following empirical formula. Kuchling's formula, that is Q equal to 3182 into under root P, and Freeman's formula, Q equal to 1136.5 into Py5 plus 10, where Q is fire demand in liter per unit and P is the population in thousand. Demand for public usage. Water need for washing streets, swimming pools, public parks, fountains, and ornamental displays in city, flushing of public toilets, and intermittent flushing of under sewers, etc., that is for municipal purpose, is known as public demand. It may range from 20 to 70 liter per capita per day. In India, this demand is about 5 to 10% of the total consumption. Consumption of water for public demand is approximately as follows. For public parks, water consumption is 2.5 liter per square meter per day. For road washings, water consumption is 1 to 1.5 liter per square meter per day. For sewer flushing, water consumption is 4.5 liter per hour per day. And for roadside trees, water requirement is 28,150 liter per kilometer per day. Compensate loss demand. The following are the reasons for losses and wastage: defective pipe joints, cracked and broken pipes, faulty valves and fittings, wastage by consumers, and unauthorized and illegal connection. While estimating total quantity of water required, an allowance of 50% of the total quantity of water is added to compensate for losses, thefts, and wastage. Rate of demand. Rate of water to be supplied per head per day is known as rate of demand. It is expressed as liters per person per day or liters per capita per day. Rate of demand equal to Q by P into 365, where Q is the quantity of water required per year in liters and P is the estimated population to be served. Thank you.